Hi, I am Tirumurthy. I just opened a Firefox and searched the Google Chrome. I am going to click the download now link. And I am going to choose the download Chrome button, and I am going to choose the Debian file for installing Ubuntu and accept install. The file will be saved in the downloads location. You may notice the Windows style in my Ubuntu. You can also set up this theme Windows look like behavior. I put a separate video for that. The video link will be in the description below. The download was completed. I am going to open the folder and right click and open in terminal. I just type the dpkg -i Google. I just press tab. Oops. Sudo permission need to be. Okay, the package is going to install in my Ubuntu. That's it. The Chrome was installed. I just click the window icon and search for Chrome. The Chrome was successfully installed. Thank you for watching this video. The theme setup is in another video.